right, so what is your morning routine like? Do you jump out of bed in your clothes and out the door ready to take on the world? Well, what if you could do and get more out of the first couple of hours in the morning without any added stress? We're going to give you 7 things that you can do before 7 o'clock in the morning that, according to experts, will boost your mood and help you to take on the world with confidence. All right. First one is to drink a glass of water. You can be the demonstrator.
Well, I don't. Sometimes I drink a glass of coconut water, and then I have tea when I come here. But I don't really drink water. Actually, I'm not a water drinker overall.
Well, they say that's the best thing you can do for yourself in the morning. Everyone should flush any overnight toxins from their body before they start their day. A glass of water before breakfast will also help you hydrate, giving you the best chance of performing at work and making your day a success. Cheers.
Cheers. And benches. Do you drink water before 7 o'clock?
No.
Normally?
No.
So, the two of you get 0
But
for
you're
that
not drinking your water.
Yeah, I took a little sip.
But
I usually,
you don't finish your
when
water.
I do it, I drink coconut water, but I don't normally do that. Read. It says taking a few minutes to read something inspiring or educational in the morning will put you in a good frame of mind before you've even left the house. If you're not into books, then try a newspaper to keep well informed and get your brain in gear early.
I guess you can take that off with your daily word,
I do that.
which you read this morning, I'm sure.
Yep, I read the Daily Word and I read the newspaper when I come here, and I also do the crossword puzzle, which kind of gets my brain. And sometimes I get annoyed because I can't figure out nothing in the crossword.
And then you bother everybody else and say, what's this word, what's this word? You don't know
Oh,
this
I
word,
didn't know
what
I
is
was
this word?
bothering you. I'm sorry, I won't
No,
ask
I
you
said
again.
everybody else. I
Yeah,
didn't
but
say
you could have
me.
just said I'm bothering you, and then I wouldn't ask you again.
Well,
And you never had to come on television and say I'm bothering you. You could have just whispered to me and said, Bridget, you're bothering me. Easy. You read before 7 o'clock?
no, when?
So,
At which point?
well, so you know me get points, so you're still up on 0.
I'm still on 0.
Exercise.
0. First of all, when you get up when we get up, well, you obviously have time to fit things in. I have no time to fit in anything except bathing.
So no
If I'm
exercise
lucky.
either. You know, you're still up at 0.
I claim it.
It says a series of short exercise. What is a short exercise?
10
will
minutes,
get your
15
blood
minutes.
pumping early on and put an end to any drowsiness. Yoga is good for your mind and body and can easily be done at home. I don't exercise before 7, so I have 1. I have 1 out of 3 and you have 0.
Which is one
Sing in
more
the
than
shower. Yes, that's me.
In the morning?
Yeah, not loud, but I have 2 songs that I always sing in the shower. Only 2. One of them was I'm the luckiest guy in the world.
You don't know what you mean to me, girl.
I don't know where you know my tune. Aye! It's done by a guy named Frederick Knight. It means.
No, Harrow, no.
And then I sing another one that called I Am in the Mood for Love. It's
Simply because you're near
love,
me.
you know the stuff.
Honey, because when you're gone back. I wasn't there, folks. I just know the song.
Yes, you know the song. So, do you sing in the show?
Not at 4
You're still
o'clock in
up
the
at
morning.
0. So I got 2 out of 4. Talking to yourself in the mirror. I don't know about that one. Let me try it. No, man, if I didn't see this, I talk to myself.
What you gonna tell me what you would say?
You know, say, you are easily one of the most handsome people in the history of life. Eh? What a nice looking man. I love you, your shirt.
I want you to understand, folks, that we had this prop.
Wow.
Neville was supposed to talk in the mirror and he was trying before the break and the mirror broke. No, it's not a joke. He started talking to the mirror and cliche problems. This is for real.
Do you know that people out at the street really think that me and her are such good friends? I want to see what she did to me. No, I understand that we are.
Must talk it truth, what God love. You broke your mirror. It's okay, we're not mad at you. So it happens.
You talk to yourself?
In the mirror or regular?
In the mirror. So like you do, I want to talk.
No, I don't. Not in the mornings. I have, but
In
it's
the
not
mirror?
a routine.
So what you say to yourself when you look in the mirror?
It's okay, Steve, you can do this.
Do what?
get out there and just do what she's supposed to do. Some days I don't feel like I can. So I try to, you know, pump
I
myself
don't
up.
talk to myself, but sometimes, you know, I'll decide to wear something and I put it on and I turn and I say, no, sir.
No.
Me
It's
just
not
go,
make
sir.
it.
I just say, no, sir. I'm going to take it off. But I mean, I don't stand there and say, I wonder. I just, you know, so I've decided that I want to wear.
I think this is like a pep talk. It's a standing in front of the mirror, looking at
ready
your
for the
reflection,
road and-
using body language and,
Yeah.
and saying stuff helps you increase confidence. It's like, yes, Nev, you look sharp today. You're going to go out there and you're going to kill it.
No.
No?
No. So you get one. You talk to yourself sometimes. We have to run. Set goals. I can have a to-do list, but I don't set goals. And I smile. Yeah, I do smile. Yeah, I always a smile.
You know, I smile.
Always a smile. All right, so we join Yvonne for News in 5 after the break. Still to come, folks, the Lifespan Spring Water Dash and Win Promotion Countdown. Stay with us more and smile when we come back from News in 5.